parents, I decided to create a video for this week's checklist because there are just a few things that are different due to some things that are happening this week. So, yeah, so I just wanted to share those with you. So as usual, I will be having my normal live schedule, their small group on Monday, their reading group, the live math lesson, the live morning meeting, the live reading lesson. As you can see here, on Friday, I will be at JBE to close out our classroom. I will be unavailable for any live lessons that I normally might do, as well as my office hours, because I will be at school packing things up and putting things away and doing that. And the same thing will happen the following Monday as well. iReady is exactly the same, a blue lesson, some green lessons, and then a blue lesson. If they did not join me for their live lesson, they are required to do that. Science this week is still a focus on plants. On Monday it's to do a Kahoot. I put the link here, but it will also be on the Teams. They can click on it and go to it. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday I'm asking them to take a nature walk and gather different types of plant parts, leaves, flowers, stems, branches. I want them to create a picture using these materials. I will post videos and ideas in the Science channel. For example, this is one that I just found. It's a little princess made from some leaves and some flowers, and so I will be posting those ideas in the Science channel. And then I would like them to post a picture of their leaf art on the post in the Science channel. A really easy way to do this is to download the Teams app on a phone, log in and take the picture, and then you can post it immediately there. For writing this week, they're going to be doing how-to writing. That is the writing where they say, you know, how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. First you get the bread and then you get the peanut butter, things like that. So here I have a video on how to brainstorm ideas. Tuesday, I would like them to share their ideas for their how-to writing. Wednesday, watch the video on how to write the steps. And then Thursday and Friday, write the steps for one of their topics using the form just like we've been doing. You can see here that I've kind of expanded it. I just would like them to get on Epic 3 times a week for 20 minutes. I'm kind of trying to pull them back from being on the computer so long. And so that is an option. Freckle is still going to be an option. I'm going to open it up completely if they want to do any extra practice or work on there. Fun stuff, Monday and Tuesday is similar. Wednesday they will have a cool paper towel art video, and then with parent permission they can try it themselves. Thursday, cook or bake something with your family, and Friday, build a fort either inside or outside, hopefully outside. Our IABC countdown continues. Monday will be Mismatch Day. Nice Note Day is a day that I always have scheduled throughout my entire career, and this is a day where they can write a nice note to an adult at our school that is not a regular classroom teacher. So not their old kindergarten teacher, not me, not another first grade teacher, but, you know, a resource teacher, a custodian, Miss Madeline, Miss Chapman, Miss Brown, the helpers in the cafeteria, Miss Fraser, Mr. John, and just kind of tell them thanks and give them a nice note. And normally I give it to them, but I would like you to take a picture. I just realized it's misspelled on here. And email it to me, and then I will forward it to them. Oh, for Origami Day, I will post an origami collection on Epic, and they can try it. Pajama Day, wear the pajamas to our lives. I do request that they wear pajama shirts. I know some of them only wear pajama pants, but pajama shirts. And if they wear a pajama dress and it's short, please wear leggings. And then Q for Question Day. Even though I will not be around, I would like them to post whatever questions they might have for second grade in the ABC Countdown channel, and I will be adding Mrs. Scooby, a second grade teacher, to our team, and she will try to answer them. As always, the fun stuff in the ABC Countdown is optional. It's just something fun. This is how we would be celebrating the end of the year in our classrooms, and I want to keep that. As always, PE, art, and music. Please make sure they're doing those lessons. And we're almost done, parents, and you guys have been amazing, and they have been amazing, and I hope this just gives them a kind of a week to do some fun things and catch up. As always, if you have any questions, you know when my office hours are, 12 to 1. I can chat live with you if you need to, or email me, or send me a message on ClassTag. Keep sending me pictures of their Flat Mrs. Allen's adventures. I've been loving getting them, and I hope you all have a great week. Thanks!